Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome on board. Join the family by clicking down below the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting notifications every time I post. Happy New Year everyone. Today's video is on how to make coconut oil from scratch. What you need are coconut fruits. I have two of them right here. And the first step is to break them into smaller pieces. Use a hard item like I'm using here, or you can just break them on the ground, like burst them. Okay, whatever method you use, just break the coconut into smaller pieces. And then that's to enable you remove the coconut meat easily. Use a blunt knife and be very careful not to cut yourself. So remove all the meat from the nut, like I'm doing here for the two fruits. And then after that, use clean water to remove the smaller residue pieces from the coconut, like so. Make sure they're very clean. Then cut the coconut meat into very small bits to help the blender blend easily, like so. For the coconut water we collected before, we're going to use that while blending. So save the residue in it, and after you put the coconut inside the blender, add the coconut milk, like so, the coconut water I mean, like so. Then top up with some water to the level just slightly above the coconut, and then put that in a blender and turn the blender on. So blend your mixture until you get like a coconut puree, if I may call it. You can keep stirring with a wooden spoon just to help your blender, but if you have a food processor, it would be better to use a food processor because coconuts are a bit hard. So since I don't have that, I am just using a blender and it works just fine. So this is what I've got, the puree. I'm just going to squeeze out all the coconut milk out, and then I am going to use a sieve to remove the residues, to separate the coconut milk from the residues, like so. After which I'm going to put back the residues in the blender and add some water, a little bit of water, and blend some more to make sure I get the maximum amount of coconut milk. So just remove all the residue, place back the residue and some water in the coconut in the blender, and then get some more coconut milk. So this is all the milk we got. I'm going just to sieve that one more last time to get off. So this is what you get after placing your milk in the refrigerator for like 3 hours. I'm just going to separate the heavy cream with the light cream, but this is just the impatient me. If you're patient enough, put it in the freezer or in the fridge for longer, even overnight. In the morning it will be like hard cream on top, and then the water will be down below and you can pick the cream easily. So it's still in liquid form, but you can tell the water from the cream. So this is my heavy cream. Then the last step is to place this in some fire like so and let it boil. Then you can reduce the heat. After about 30 minutes, you can see that the coconut oil has formed and your residue has become small bits. Make sure it doesn't turn so brown, because your coconut, the more the brown the residue is, the more brown your coconut oil will be. If you want white, clearer coconut oil, don't brown the residue so much. So this is it, guys. Then I've just placed a sieve over a bottle and sieved out the coconut oil, and this is the final product. I've just transferred my oil into a smaller bottle, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.